understanding what is basically data handling, what is the process of it, and along with that, I'll be telling you all one form of the data handling, which is tally marks. Understood? We'll be learning about data and its types, then the data handling, and then the tally marks. All right, bacha? Yes? Okay. All right. And this topic is really very important because it is important to understand and represent data. You'll be using that. You often see the results, bacha. Have you seen your school results or the ODA results? Over there, you're having different forms or different places of representing, right? So this is important to know what they are representing. If you don't know to read it, how will you understand? So this is why data handling is really important. We see different charts in the forms of these data charts. Okay. And then counting using tally marks we'll be learning. It's very important. Helps build analytical thinking, and it's very important for the higher grades. You'll be using all these things in the higher grades also. Okay. So I have a question for all my super champs, but before that, all of you can grab your coins. Quickly grab your coins for those who have joined on. So, kids, tell me how many family members are there in your family? Sorry, how many members are there in your family? Tell me. How many members are there in your respective family? Bacha, let me know. Let me know how many members are there in your family. Okay, some are saying 4, some are saying 3, some are saying 49. You're in a joint family, I guess. Because I was also in a joint family. Lots of members there. Okay, 4, 5, 3. Okay, 4, nuclear family, 17. 67 members? How can 67 members accommodate there, bacha? Okay, 10, 3. All right, all right. So, bacha, you all told me the information right now. You gave me the information. I asked you a question. How many members are there in your family? And you gave me the information through what? You gave me the information through numbers. Okay? Yes? Yes, bacha, try to listen and understand. I asked all of you how many members are there in your family, and you told the numbers exactly to me on the chat box. So you gave the information about the number of members in your family? Yes or no? Tell me. Did you all give me the information about the number of members in your family? Yes. So, as I told, we are going to learn about data. Before that, you all gave me an information. So, I'll explain you what is data now. So, are you all excited for hashtag level 1, bacha? Excited? What is data? What is data, bacho? Data is a collection of information. The information can be words, numbers, or any measurements. What is data? It is the collection of information. It can be words, it can be numbers, it can be measurements. Okay? So right now, when I asked you how many members are there in your family, you told me it is 3, 4, 5, 7 different numbers. You gave me information in the form of what did you give me? You gave me the information in the form of words or in the form of numbers? Tell me. You all gave me the information about your family members in the form of numbers, right? So what is data? It's nothing but the collection of information. Even if I ask you, bacha, how much marks did you get in your mathematics test? How much marks did you get in your mathematics test, kids? Tell me your responses in the chat box. I can see 80 out of 80, 40 out of 40, 20, 100 out of 100. Okay, 40 out of 40, 33. All right. So what are you telling me? You are giving me the information about the marks scored by you in mathematics. So I collected this data from all you kids. What is it? It is nothing but information. I got the information how much marks you have got. So this is what is called data. Clear, bacha? So right now you have given me the information in the form of numbers. You can also tell me which is your favorite fruit. That anyone can say mango. So at that time, the information collected was what? In words. Understood? So data can be the collection of information. It can be words, it can be numbers, or it can be any measurements. All right? Clear, all of you? Yes, these students are writing their favorite fruits, lychee, strawberry. Okay, I like mangoes there a lot. I miss summer season for that. Okay, watermelon. All right. So, understood, bacha, all of you, did you all understand what is data? It is nothing but the collection of information. You can give this information in the form of words, in the form of pictures. You can give this information in the form of numbers. All these are data. Understood? If yes, quickly give me a one in the chat box, Bacha Party. Quickly drop me a one in the chat box, my super chats. Okay, very good. All right. So data can be numbers, facts, observation, measurement, graphs, information, quantity. It is different forms of information basically. Okay. So tell me one question, but all of you ready for one quiz? Ready for the first quiz, everyone? Ready? So tell me, what is data? It is any piece of data is any piece of what? Food? Information? Thinking? Tell me. Data can be in the form of pictures, words, numbers, or all of the above. Data can be in the form of what? Can it be data, bacha? So the data are of two types. The first one is unorganized data. We often call it as raw data. What is raw? What is raw, bacha? You have studied science. It is kacha. Okay? Kacha. Uncooked. All right. So there are two types of data. One is unorganized, another is organized. For that unorganized, we call it as raw data because it is unorganized. It's not in the correct form. It is kacha. Okay. So it is what? Types of data is what? Two types of data. One is unorganized, another is organized. Clear all of you? Clear all of you? Okay, very good, very good. So there are two types of data. One is unorganized, another is organized. The unorganized data is also known as raw data. Note it down. Note it down, bacha. Okay. So now, first of all, what is unorganized data? That is also known as raw data. कच्चा क्यों कहते हैं बच्चों? आधा पका हुआ है. It means what? Half cooked. So similarly, unorganized is what? It is not properly arranged. Unorganized itself means not arranged properly. So unorganized or raw data is information that is messy or mixed up. Which is mixed up. It's very messy. It's difficult to find out. From a messy cupboard, it's difficult to find out the cloth which you want to wear. Yes or no? It is difficult to get the favorite toy from your messy toys. You have to find it. It's difficult to find out now sometimes. Things get messed up. So similarly, unorganized or raw data is nothing but the information is messy and mixed up and without clear order, making it hard to understand or use. Over here, if I ask all of you to count the number of burgers, you'll start finding it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I would have directly given the shape of a burger and written 4, you could easily tell me there are 4 burgers. But here, you need to look, count, you might miss some. So what is unorganized data, bacha? It is raw data, which is very messy and mixed up, and it is difficult for us to understand exactly and use it. It makes it difficult. Clear all of you? Understood, bacha, all of you? I can see students are missing burger now. Okay. All right. So what is unorganized data? That is the information which is, you have got the information, but not arranged properly. It is messy. For example, different kids told me your different numbers. Like few got 30, after 40, few got 30, some got 35, some got 31, 28, 22, 35, 40, 28, 21. So if I ask you what is the lowest marks and what is the highest marks, you have to read all the numbers. It would be difficult for you to find it out. If I would have arranged it in ascending order or descending order, you would directly find the highest and the lowest easily. So this is what is unorganized data. You find it difficult to get the information quickly. Okay. Second one, just tell me, count the green color. So as I told, unorganized data takes more time for us to find out the values. Tell me what is the total number of green colors here. See, you'll be taking time. If it was have directly written the value and the number next to it, you could have done it more faster. Okay, but here you have to look and count. Just you have to look and count. That is difficult. Taking time. So I'll be giving you all 10 more seconds for this question. It's an easy peasy question, bacha. Time is up. All right. So here I asked you all to find the number of green colors. So I've counted it out. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. What if I miss this out by chance? It can be difficult. So the answer is 4. What if it was directly shown in this way? I would have written this like this. Okay, I made a bad start. Sorry. Sorry, my super champs. I hope you all will forgive me for making a bad start. Okay. So how many stars? If I would have drawn it this way and written just next to it 5, you could have not 5. Sorry, it was 4. So if I would have written it 4 directly, you would have directly chosen the 4 option, right? Instead of much difficulty. Clear? So this is what, this is our organized data. We haven't arranged it properly. It is raw data. Okay. Unorganized data is known as which data, bacha? What is the other name for unorganized data? It is raw data. Okay. Next one. What is organized data? Organized data is information that is arranged in a clear, structured way. Now what I have done, I haven't kept things messy in the cupboard. I have arranged the clothes properly so that I can easily find out whichever dress I want. Similarly, over here I am arranging the data in a clear and structured way, making it easy to find and understand. What are we doing? We have arranged it properly in a clear and structured way, making it easy to find and understand. So here, instead of drawing the number of puzzles different way, I've written pizza 3 quantity, burger 4, donut 2. If I asked you, tell me the French fries, how many? Quickly you'll see the table and tell me 3. Understood, bacha? Clear? If I tell you, what is the number of bubble tea? Tell me the number of bubble tea. Tell me the number of bubble tea, everyone. What is the number of bubble tea here? It is 3. What did you do? Simply saw the bubble tea. Answer. What if there were pictures you would have to count? It will take more time. Understood? This is organized data. We have arranged it in a clear and structured way, making it easy for us to find and understand. All right? Clear? Okay. Very good. Next, tell me, what is this? This is an organized data. For organizing data, we can use table for organizing data. Understood? We can use table for organizing the data. Like we can organize the clothes in the cupboard. We can use a table to organize things. All right, bacha? Yes? Okay. So with this table, can you tell me how much did Bob eat? How many burgers did Bob eat? Tell me the number of burgers Bob ate. Okay. All right. Very good. Now tell me, who ate the minimum number of burgers? Who ate the minimum number of burgers? It is Jennifer. She has eaten just 2. Okay. So you have to tell me the answer in that way. All right. Now in the table, we have 2 different things. One is a column, another is a row. So the vertical one, that is this. This is column number 1. This is column number 2. The vertical ones are the columns. Understood? The vertical ones are the columns. And the horizontal ones are the rows. These are the rows, bacha. Okay? So how many columns do we have here? How many columns do I have here, bacha? We have only 2 columns. All right. How many rows do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. So this is row. This is column. The vertical one is column. The horizontal one is row. Okay. So quickly, students, tell me the number of dogs here. Quickly. Let us make an organized data. Instead of counting, we can quickly make it. It is 4. We are making a table. The number of cats here. कितने बिल्ली हैं बच्चों? बिल्लियां कितनी दिख रही है आपको? How many cats do you find? It's just 2. How many monkeys do you find? बंदर कितने दिख रहे हैं बच्चों? कितने बंदर हैं? My mother calls me only बंदर. Okay, so it's 3 here. All right, so we have organized it properly. Understood, bacha? Okay, so let's have few quiz questions. Are you ready for few quiz questions, bacha? Okay, let's have few quiz questions here. How many red colored flowers are there? You can take a look into the table from the organized set of data and quickly tell me your answer. Which colored flowers are the most here? Which colored flowers are the most here? Which colored flowers are the most here? Write quickly. How many more, be careful here. How many more red flowers are there than orange? So you have to get the value of orange flower, value of red flower, and then how much more is red than orange? That means you have to find the difference. First get the value of orange, value of red, and then find the difference to know how much more. Be careful with this question. So you'll get coins for this question if you get it. The answer is correct. So now the given data shows how many bags of popcorn Ria sold in the past 4 days. Ria is a girl. She has sold lots of bags of popcorns. How many of you like popcorns? Okay, so Ria has sold bags of popcorns in the past 4 days. That is, in Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, she has sold the bags of popcorns. On which day did Ria sell the most number of popcorn? So most is what it is? Maximum. So you need to see among the 4 days, that is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, on which day the number of popcorn was maximum, that is the highest. Okay, the number of popcorn bags was highest in which day? All of you try and get your answers, Bacha Party, quickly. To Bacha Party, quick, बच्चों. So data को handle करना. Data handling is handling data. Okay, like your parents are handling you kids, right? Have you seen parents handling a small baby? They're always crying. So we are handling them. Similarly, now we are going to handle data. Now, what is the process of handling data? All right. So over here, data handling is the process of collecting. First of all, as I asked you the question, how many members are there in your family? Different people told me 3, some told me 5, some told me 2, some told me 7, some told me 9, some told me 3, 5, 4, 7, 9, 2, 8, different number of people. Okay. So now what I have done, I have collected the information from you all. I have collected the information. Now, after collecting, what form it is? Whenever I'm collecting the data, it is in the form of raw data. जब भी data collect करते हैं बच्चों, it is raw. After that, I'm organizing it. So first I have collected. What is the first process? I'm collecting the data, which is raw. Then I'm organizing it, and then I'm using it. Right? We are collecting the data. We are making it organized either in the form of tables or something else. And then with that organized thing, we are using it. Right? Clear, bachcho? Is it clear? Saturo, better focus on this session instead of writing anything rubbish in the chat box. All right? I can see kids are writing anything rubbish in the chat box. It's here. You're understanding. You're writing the things which are required. No need to write anything rubbish in the chat box. Got it? Otherwise, I'll be muting your chat option. No one will be able to write anything in the chat box. So if you have got the option to respond, it's better use it for the good purpose. All right? Okay. So what are the different processes of data handling, bacha? The first one is collecting. Then what we are doing? We are organizing, and then we are using. Tell me, what is the first process of data handling? Tell me the first process of data handling, everyone. Tell me the first process of data handling. We are collecting it. First of all, we are collecting the information. We are getting the information. After that, what we are doing? We are organizing it. I'll accept your sorry only if you perform well now. No one will write anything rubbish. I will forgive you. Otherwise, I will not. Okay. So it is organizing. What is the third step, bacha? We are using it. Okay, everyone? Clear? All right. So we have collecting like everywhere. You can see whichever places everywhere the data are being collected. In a school, students collect data, student information, not the schools. When you go for the school's admission, they collect your information. Where you born, what's your name, all these information they take. When you go weather stations, they take the weather information. When I go to the social media, when you talk about, they take the user information. When you go to the hospitals also, they take the information about the patient. What is the age, what is the blood group, all this information they collect. So everywhere we are collecting data. Understood? You never saw me so angry. Even I never say, scolded you kids. But it's really sad to see you all writing all these things in the chat box. All right, you're here to study, right? Okay. So collecting data, we all these schools are collecting the data of the child's information. In the weather stations, they are collecting information. Even the hospitals, they are collecting information. Wherever you go, even the social media, they are collecting the information of the people. Everywhere the information is being collected. Okay. So this is what first what collecting, then organizing. You can organize it with the help of tables also. We can organize it with the help of different forms. We have right now learned the form of table. Okay. So first thing is what? First thing is collecting, then we are organizing, and then we are using data. Right? What is the first step? It is collecting, then we are organizing, and then we are using the data. Collecting, organizing, and then using. Clear? Clear, all of you? Okay. So let's have a question. What is the first step of data handling? What is the first step of data handling? Try and let me know, everyone. What is the first step of data handling? Everyone should choose their options. Everyone should choose the options, bacha. Okay, I'll be giving you all 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. All right. So here, let us quickly solve it. What is the first step? First thing is collecting, then organizing, and then using. So the right option is option number A. All right. Tell me, what is the correct steps of data handling? I have told you right away. What is the correct process? First thing, then second, then third. I told you the process. Quickly choose the correct option, kids. I'll be giving you all 30 seconds for this question. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. You all can do it in that much of time. What we have studied till now, data is a piece of information. Data handling is the process, collecting, organizing, using. We can have tables for organizing where we have rows and columns. Now we are going to move to level number 3. We have what is tally marks, bacha? It is a way to count the numbers. Like we are writing the numbers using tally marks. There are different ways. Over here in tally marks, basically, we have different numbers counting. In general, I have 1. So in tally marks, I will write it in this form. 2, I'll be writing double vertical line. 3, triple vertical line. For 4, 4 vertical lines. Now, but for 5, we are not writing 5 vertical lines. This is not the way. What are we doing? For tally marks as a rule, whenever it is 5, we are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, a slant line. So this is what? This is tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What if I have 6 now? For 6, I'll be making another bundle. For 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One bundle we can have maximum 5. In one bundle we can have maximum 5. So this is for 6. I will start another. For 7, what it will be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, for one bundle, how many we can have, bacha? In one bundle of tally marks, how many tally marks are there, bacha? In one bundle, how many do we have? We have only 5. What is the rule? 1, 2, 3, 4. Till 4 vertical lines. 5th is the slant line. Understood, everyone? Clear? Okay. So this is what for 1 we write in this way 2, 3, 4. But for 5, 4 vertical line, 1 slant line. Then 6 new bundle. 7, 5 is one bundle, 7, then 8, then 9, again with 10. For 11, another bundle will start. In one bundle, maximum 5 can be there. Okay? So try it out and tell me. Write the number of tally marks for the kittens over here. How many kittens are there? Count them and choose the correct tally mark. Count them and choose the correct tally mark, everyone. The next one. Count the tally marks and tell me the number shown here.
Next question. In the tally marks, which is the correct representation of 8? How can I represent 8 as? Which one is the? Tell me. Write the tally marks for the number of stars, bacha. You have to count the number of stars. Quickly count the number of stars and choose the correct tally marks. One more question, everyone. Tara's friends voted for their favorite summer treat. Tara made a tally chart for the following results. So she has these fruit pops, grapes, watermelon. How many people voted for fruit pops? Can you find the fruit pops? Count the number of tally marks and choose the correct number. How many people have voted for fruit pops? How many of them have voted for fruit pops? Quickly count the tally mark and tell the respective number, bacha. I know you all have understood tally marks so well, you can do it easily. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, everyone. Okay. So we can have one more question and legendary you all can be. That's well. So I'll be giving you all 10 more seconds, bacha party. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. All right. So over here, if we check which is the number of fruit pops, then how many tally marks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 6. So that is option number C. All right. So let's have the last question quickly, bacha. A dice is rolled 20 times. The following data tally mark shows the table for which the number which comes up. Which number has appeared the maximum number of time? That is the highest. So which number has come the highest? It is 1, the number of times it has come. You can check that 1 has come for this many times, 2 for this many, 3 for this many. Check this and tell me which number has come for the highest number of times. Which number has come for the highest number of times? I'll be giving you all 40 seconds for this question only. Quickly complete it, all of you, bacha. Quickly complete it, all of you. Everyone complete it, bacha, quickly. Last 10 seconds, everyone. Get it done, bacha. Let me see how many have got the legendary badge today. All right. So the maximum number is which one? Quickly check it, bacha. Which is the maximum number? So if you see the maximum number of tally marks are there in 1, which is 7. So the right option is option number A. Okay. Clear? All right. Very good. Those who have got the legend have learned about data is any piece of information, data handling process we have understood. Then we have understood different types of data, the table for data, rows and columns, and tally marks. All right. Okay. So those who did not get, you need to practice a little more. Get it the next time. In the next class, we are going to learn about pictograph. So do not forget to complete your homework right